So it's starting to get a little bit nicer out. It's starting to be able to do a little bit more. I got the engine bay cleaned up quite a bit more. I did completely clean this valve cover and put a new gasket on, new spark plugs. I got a new cap and rotor coming soon. I've got a new alternator. I just need to install it. There's actually nothing wrong with that one, but I figure since I have it, probably a good idea. It's getting a little noisy. I think the bearing might be getting a little loud. New fuel pump here, nicely located right there. Yeah, otherwise I gotta fix these headlights. This lens is starting to see, it's separated from the rest of the enclosure here, so water and stuff's gonna get inside, plus they're all hazy and everything. So either I'm gonna replace these or just seal them up and clean the lens on the front and stuff. I've got kind of major clear coat issues with the car and some rust and stuff, but I'm strictly trying to focus on getting it as mechanically sound as possible. So just got a few things lined up that I want to do, but otherwise it's really quite nice inside, as I've shown in my other videos. I'm gonna basically take the seats out and so I can shampoo the carpets and everything underneath and everything like that. And yeah, so here it is. You can see this is the worst side of the car with the rust here, and see what I can do this summer to kind of fix that in this flaking clear coat. But all the rest of the parts are here. There's nothing wrong with the bumper. I got no cracks. I got no cracks in the tail lights. It's all here. Can all be dealt with, cleaned up, fixed. Let me zoom this out a little bit more. There, that's better. Keep the tint on the back for now. I actually like the tint in the rear. Saves the fabrics from the UV and everything, but yeah, there she is. Runs really nice, drives really nice. Just this one cylinder, this one cable here, this is completely crusted, rusted, terrible. So like I said, I got new cables, new cap and rotor. This is going to be new. It's basically like down to 3-cylinder now, or a very weak one of the cylinders. So makes a little bit of a vibration, but overall still running good, but it'll be a lot better. So yeah, that's my little update for now.